Hi guys, it's Dave Farmer again, and welcome back to my series on Reaper. And we're still in the part of the series here where we're trying to just work out a few of the humps that Pro Tools users are trying to get over when they're first starting to switch over to using Reaper. And in this video, I want to talk about reapeak files. Basically, that's the same thing as a waveform cache, but Reaper draws a separate one for each audio file. And by default, it puts that file right next to the audio file that you've imported into Reaper, which I don't know about you, but I personally don't like that. But fortunately, there is a way to fix that. Let me just show you what I'm talking about here. I'm going to switch over to this folder of WAV files. I'm going to drag all of these into Reaper. And incidentally, you can have it put them on separate tracks, which stacks them vertically, or in a single track. I'm just going to choose single track. So now you see it building these reapeak files over here. Now, if I switch back to that source folder, see this? It made a separate peak file for each one. I really don't like that because as a designer, I'm handing files to people a lot, sending files to the library. And I like to just be able to go and grab a few things like that and just copy them really fast. I don't like having this reapeak file right next to the WAV file. Anyhow, fortunately, there's a really quick fix for this. So go up to Preferences, and under General Paths, click Paths. There's an option here to store all peak caches somewhere else. So what I do is I just made a checkbox here. I made a folder inside my Documents folder on my boot drive, and I just browsed that folder, selected it, and now it stores all those reapeak files there instead of next to each other. And there's hundreds or thousands of them in there. And I just go in there every now and then and just clean those out and let it rebuild peaks as it sees fit. So let me get rid of these files and rebuild this so you can see what I mean. Date modified, get rid of the reapeak files. Drag these back in. Peak files are built, but they're no longer right next to the source files. Okay, hope that helped. See you next time.